So here, calculate the speed of the car. As described just now already, the speed of a car is constant because from the pattern of the oil drops, there's a constant distance between them. Unlike what I have on the board. The distance is varying, telling me that it is a varying speed. So since there is a constant speed, I can use distance divided by time. So over here, we can choose to find total distance, which is 450, then divided by the time, which is 45 seconds, in order to find the average speed, which is 10 centimeters per second. Alternatively, you can also use what we did earlier on, distance equals to 50, was it 50 cm? Okay, then the time equals to 5 seconds. So speed equals to 50 over 5 equals to 10 cm per second. If your units are in meters, it is fine, as long as you convert properly and correctly. Yes? Yes, you can leave it in meters per second if you like, as long as it is accurate. Next, a bus took 6 minutes to travel 5,000 meters. Calculate the average speed in kilometers per hour. Okay, shouldn't have a problem with this. Check our work. How many of you got this correct? Raise your hand. Okay, put our hands. Okay, you're not allowed to use this symbol. You're supposed to put the division properly. Total distance divided by total time. Change your distance from meters to kilometers. So 5,000 becomes 5. And then 6 minutes to hours. So 6 divided by 60 to get in terms of hours. So that's 1 over 10 to get 50 kilometers per hour. Next. Question 11. Catherine jogged at an average speed of 5 meters per second. Calculate total distance traveled. Since there is an average speed given to us, and we can find the time taken. Are you able to tell using mental sums what's the time taken? How much time was taken? 35 minutes. Good. But this will be in minutes, right? 35 minutes. Can I use this 35 directly inside for this? No, you're not supposed to be able to, unless you do a conversion in your working. Okay? So typically what we expect will be like this. Total distance, average speed. Average speed is total distance divided by total time. So 5 equals to the distance divided by the time taken. Time taken is 35 minutes. So I need to convert my 35 minutes. What is this? Okay. Don't care about this working. I'll do it for you. Okay, so distance. Again, I always start with this. So distance divided by time gives us the speed. Okay, so distance equals to speed times time. All agree? So all should be agreeing with me lah. Okay, so speed 5 meters per second multiplied by the time, which is 35 minutes. Yes? Okay, so far? Now, 35 minutes, I need to convert it to seconds because my speed is in meters per second. So this gives me 5 times 35 times 60. Do we need to write 35 times 60? Yes, you do. Then I will be wondering where you get your, what was that, 2100? Huh? 35 times 60. Yeah, if you just write 2100 over here, I'll be wondering where do you get the 2100 from? If you change it to seconds, then I can accept. But if it is just 2100 out of nowhere, I'll be wondering whether you copy your friend or not. Which you didn't write. Yeah, if you had written earlier on, 35 minute equals to 2100 seconds, then yes, you can use it. So if you didn't, then you put out 35 times 60. If you change the speed, also can. But you should arrive at the same answer. So 2100 times 5 to give us 10500 meters. If you had changed the speed, you will still get the same 10500 meters. If you are living in kilometers, up to you, but there's no requirement to. Any questions? Yes? Okay, here we've got calculation for your acceleration. So the formula for acceleration is A equals to, let's see whether you have memorized. A equals to V minus U over minus TU. And are you aware of what they all stand for? If there is anybody who is not aware, you must tell me now. Okay, so now for the answer. Check your answer. Do you have all these? So what do you put? Do you put negative? Then negative 0.8 is fine. Yeah, negative 0.8. But when you are in doubt, right, just leave it in 3SF. Can? Need me to go through any of these? No need. Okay, working. Do you have to show working? If you are able to do it without working, I'm fine with it. But if it is like a 2-mark, 3-mark question, then you better show the working. Okay, so now, since you did not require me to go through, I will just flash this quickly. If you require help, you can go ahead and watch the video and pause it at the appropriate times. Next. We have already done this, am I right? Yes. Okay, total distance traveled, done already? Total distance traveled, done, right? And total displacement traveled, also done. Total time taken, have you all done this? Yes. Okay, check your answer. Average speed. Okay, so this is the rule in physics. Leave in 3SF. You may be penalized if you don't leave it in 3SF. However, if your answer very nice, for example 10 divided by 2, it's 5, right? I can leave it as 5 lah. So in this case, 18 divided by 20, you get exactly 0.9. Yeah, I'm okay if you leaving as 0.9. However, you will not be penalized if you leave it at 0.900. You will not be penalized if you leave it at 0.90. Now, if the answer is not as pretty as this, for example, you get 2 average. So for example, we have something like this. Average speed equals to 3 over 9, for example. So you press your calculator, right? 3 divided by 9, what do you see? 3. Hey, 3 over 9 equal to 3. You go and throw away your calculator. What's 3 over 9 equal to? 1/3. Should we leave our answers in fraction? No, you shouldn't leave it in fraction. It is not exactly wrong, but we want it in 3SF. So our final answer will be 0.33333, 5SF, then we round it off to 0.333. Exactly, that's why after that I wrote 0.900. Now it is 3SF. Okay? Yeah, it shouldn't be 0.90. It should be either 0.9 or 0.900. Have I clarified your doubts? Yes, it can be 0.9 or 0.900 in this case. Any other questions? Okay, moving on. Average velocity of the car. We had our displacement that was 4 divided by 20 to give us 0.20 meters. Okay, 0.200 or 0.2 meters per second with a direction, which is not. Okay, car moving with uniform acceleration. Complete a table. Just check your answers. Yeah, it's all 20. Uniform acceleration. Describe the speed of the car. So, is the car moving at a constant speed? Yes? Is it moving at constant speed? No, it is not. The speed is increasing. Now, if you stop over here, you get 0 marks. Okay? You are expected to say the speed of the car is increasing at a constant rate. Yes, you need to say increasing. Otherwise, what? The speed of the car is constant rate. Cannot be, ma? Yes. Okay, car's speed is constantly increasing. Also accepted. Any other variation you want me to check? Yes? Accelerating by? Accelerating, but they ask about speed specifically. So I must see you talk about the speed. I understand that you know acceleration is the rate of increase of speed, but we should answer to the question. I know what you mean, but that may not get you the full marks. Understand? Let's talk about the speed. Yes, any other variation? The speed increases at a constant rate. That's exactly the same as this. Any others? No? So these are the two that I will accept. Next. Complete the table. So as shown, do your self-marking. And describe the speed of the object. How? What do you think how should we describe the speed? Okay, wait. Let's talk about the value of the speed. Is it increasing? Yes, it is increasing, but is it increasing at a constant rate? Is it increasing at a constant rate? So you see, from here to here, plus 2 seconds, right? The speed over here, plus 90. Here to here, 2 seconds again, but the increase is 130. Now I can tell that it's not at a constant rate already. So we say the speed is increasing at a non-uniform rate. In a non-uniform what? Pattern. No. If you say manner, I'm still okay with that. Yes? The speed is increasing non-uniformly. Yes, it's okay. Yes? No. Rapidly is too vague. We use terms like non-uniform, uniform, constant. Any other variations? Otherwise, I will remove this. I'll show you. Do you see what's behind this, inside this bracket? Before I removed it? Yeah, the word is increasing. Why is it increasing? You see, here 90, right? Then after that, increase by 130, increase by 160, then increase by. Oh, then there isn't 150 anymore. Okay, it's okay. We don't need to write this. This is good enough. Okay, Non-uniform is good enough. So describe the acceleration. The acceleration is non-uniform. Don't need to tell me that it's increasing. Okay? But you should be able to tell that it's increasing based on the numbers over here. Yes, you can say that the acceleration is not constant. Because not constant is the same as non-uniform. Not constant is the same as non-uniform. Yes. Yes, you can say non-uniform acceleration. They mean the same thing. Any more? They want you to describe the speed. I need you to talk about the speed, not the acceleration. Any others? So is that all? Yeah, that's all. This video will be